So guys, so what's up for today's video? This is my part 2 in my dream house. What is this? Hey, what is this? So maybe I need this. Oh, see? My God. It's still, still not beautiful. My house still not. Hey,
it's so ugly. Oh my god.
you look like ugly too.
Wow.
So don't bully my house, because that house is my dream house.
That's not even a house. That's just a wall.
No, because I started a wall.
It's making the world so ugly. Oh my god.
No, that's not ugly.
Especially that walling you made.
When I finish my house, look at that.
Look at this wall. Look at the wall. Come here. Look at the wall. Oh my god. Every time I got out from my underground,
then get out.
I saw this ugly wall. This ugly wall you made.
So get out of my way. Don't talk to me like that.
I'm gonna be
You are my daughter, so don't talk to me like that.
Wow.
I will not allow you to talk to me like that.
Why?
Because you broke my heart.
I just hit the
And
truth.
you know, honestly,
What?
you broke my heart.
I always do that.
I know. You always do that.
Why are you so surprised?
You
Why are you so hurt?
You always
When
broke
I've done
my
that
heart.
many
Hey
times.
guys, so for today's video, my daughter always broke my heart, and
Oh, wow.
maybe she is not love me
Wow.
because she always want to broke my heart.
Look who's
You
talking.
always
The one
want
who made me cry earlier. Oh my god.
So that's not true.
The one who made me cry, guys. Guys, the one who made me cry.
Oh my god, what's that?
That's her.
So this is my part 2 of my dream house, but my daughter don't want my dream house. I don't know why. She love Pure Fall, but this time she don't want my house.
It's too
It's too what?
It's too
Don't say ano.
colorful. Oh my god, you even put a purple in my place.
Yes, because I want Pure Fall.
No, that's my color.
Oh, that's your color. Then why my house don't you like?
Because there's a yellow. No offense to those who like yellow colors, but
Yes, I know, but look
it
at that
doesn't look
what?
good.
Look
For
at
me,
that.
it doesn't look good in purple. I'm very
Look
sorry.
at that. Look at
For those
that.
who
It's
hate
very beautiful.
who
That
love
also I have a
yellows, I'm
swimming
very
pool in
sorry,
my house,
but I don't like it with purple.
and I have more swimming pool in there my house.
I like purple better in white or black or red.
I don't care. I don't like black. Black for me is
How rude of you.
Something like crazy color. It's black. I don't like black.
Well, it's your choice anyway, so yeah.